everyone. This is Shweta here. I welcome you all to the training module of Zoom. Firstly, you all will have to install Zoom, that is ZOOM app, on your mobile phones. You can download it from your Play Store. Once you have downloaded it, you will see it in your desktop window. See, over here is Zoom app. I will open it. So what you have to do, you have to sign up. Over here you will put your date of birth. See, I have just entered. Set. It is settled. Then you will click on JVP. Any email ID you will put. You have to put your email ID. You will write your first name, write your last name. Keep in mind you have to fill your email ID. You will click on next. So here a message is appearing that a verification email has been sent to JVPS email ID. You will open JVPS email ID. You will open your email ID. So here is email for activating the account. So you will click over here on activate account. After clicking over here, it will take you to the browser window. So over here it is asking, are you signing up on behalf of a school? Click on no and move to continue. So here is, it will ask for the password. The password must follow these instructions. So I'm just going to apply the password. As here should be one uppercase letter. So you can add one uppercase, lowercase, right? You will click on confirm password. Continue. So skip this step. Okay, invite colleagues. If you want to save, you can, otherwise there's no need of. So here is, you have to invite your other colleagues. This information you could fill out. Any other email ID you can write. If you didn't get any, you can fill my email ID over here. That is what I am typing. So click on I'm not a robot. Click on invite. So here now your account has been activated. You will go to your Zoom app once again. So you will click on sign in. Supply your email ID over here. You will put your password that you have settled. Click on sign in. So here you have logged in. Click on OK. So this is the main screen of Zoom app. Now if you have to schedule a meeting, you will click on schedule. You will put the meeting date, time, up to what time the meeting will be there. If here is use personal meeting ID, you will click on OK. Password not required. Host video on, that you should keep off. Participant video off रखना चाहिए आपको. Okay, audio option जो है that you should click on. device audio, because if you are using from laptop or telephone, according to it will switch. Click on OK. Add to calendar, there's no need of. Click done. So here a meeting has been scheduled. This is the invite of the meeting, right? So the same meeting ID would be shared with the students. Timing and schedule we will prepare as far that you don't have to send any schedule to the students personally, right? So once the meeting is scheduled, click on start meeting.